Friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore Open HTTP redirects module in DVWA at the medium security level. Unlike low security level, this level or medium security level is introducing some sort of control. And we need to bypass such control. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's get started. First of all, we need to set security level to medium. Submit. And then we can go to Open HTTP redirect. And this time, if you view the source, you will see something different in comparison to low security level. So here, the same as before, the application is checking the array, a get array. This is the get request array contains the key redirect, and also the value for this key is not empty. But even in the condition is true, we'll make another check to see whether the value of the key redirect is prefixed with HTTP or HTTPS. If the value is prefixed with HTTP or HTTPS, and then we'll respond 500 and also print out this message: absolute URLs not allowed. Otherwise, the application will send the redirection command to the browser, or more accurate term is set the location into the response. Yes, response header, and the browser will receive this response, and following the status, or the redirect command, the browser will access or will be redirected to the destination. Okay? So now we have already got this new stuff at the medium security level, but this can be very easily bypassed. We do not need to put absolute path or absolute URL. We do not need to do that. We just use the double slashes. Double slashes will means the address will use the same protocol. Okay, for example, like HTTP or HTTPS. So we do not need to explicitly specify the protocol. All right, let me show you how to exploit it. I think it would be better to turn the proxy to Bubble Suite, and then we can launch the Bubble Suite. Next, start Bubble Suite. And then we can make the window larger. At the top, we can navigate to Proxy tab, and then we can click the link. Of course, here is, try to redirect to internal page, which is not malicious. Okay, we need to forward. Okay, click any of both links, and the Bubble Suite will intercept this request for us. So here, if you change this to like https google.com we did this in the previous video, so you can see what will happen. If we forward this request, you get this error, right? Absolute URLs not allowed. Okay, so now let's go back and access the link one more time. So just as I said, we do not need to use absolute URLs. We can use this one, /google.com, and then forward this request. You see, the response, because the response just now, we have already got the browser has already got 302 status code, and then try to access the destination. And this is what we pass or what we give just now. And then we can forward. But Google site involves so many requests. So now I think it will be better to disable intercept option. And then if we go back to the browser, you see, we are redirected to Google website. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.